This is a Zanussi air speed light with suction seal technology. This is a great little hoover. It's got great suction power. As you can see, it's in a nice and white and yellow colour. It has multi-functions there for different floor types, anything from a short pile to long pile and anything in between. It has quite a large dust compartment with two filters. You've got a filter in there and a filter in here, which is nice and thick and machine washable, which is a bonus. It's easy to get on and off and easy to empty the dust compartment. Comes with your accessories. So you got an extending pole here and your little nozzle here, and also a dusting brush, which is very good. Nice power button here, which is the easy to press, and you have another function here. You turn it for a floor mode or tool mode. I'll say the only thing about this is it is extremely loud, and the hose do not fit on the bit that it is designed to sit on, so I use that for my lead because the lead is very long too, the lead is good being long because I can get from room to room without any problem. Right, so I'm going to demonstrate the suction power and the suction seal. So all I need to do is just put my foot down here, tip it back, and then it'll slide back, turn it on by my foot. As you can tell, it is extremely loud. Yes, an extremely loud hoover, but other than that, I'd say I extremely recommend this. It came from AO.com at just £71, so it's a bargain really. It is extremely good. It makes my rug very fluffy and looks very nice, which I love. So it is an extremely recommended hoover. Thank you.